Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Aris Mustaqim. For this time, I want to present about the effect of using game-based learning, quizzes media on increasing student motivation and learning outcomes of 6th grade in science at 125 Taruna Karya Elementary School, Bandung. We know quizzes is one application in the application of technology that can be used as learning medium is to use the question application. Quizzes in an educational game application that can support the learning process significantly at the tutorials and Santoso 214. Science subjects are lessons that discuss natural phenomena around students. Therefore, learning science is a subject that is considered quite difficult for students. Science lessons are learning in school that have a role in providing direct knowledge so as to form experience for students. Putri et al. 220. Meanwhile, according to Sarwinda 2019, science or natural science subject in elementary school can make a meaningful contribution to students. In the learning process, it is often seen that students have less often attention when presenting the material. This is due to the students' lack of attention or interest in the learning. For the research method, this study used a quantitative approach. According to Damarwan 219 130, explaining that the quantitative approach focuses on symptoms that have certain characteristics in human life which he named as variable. This research is a type of pre-experimental research, is a research who observe a main group and intervenes throughout the study. In this design, there is not control group to compare with the experimental group called pre-experimental design. In this study, there are two instruments, namely the learning motivation instrument and the learning outcome instrument in the cognitive aspect. To obtain data on student learning motivation, a scale questionnaire method is used that follow the scale of the Likert model. For the result and discussion, per sample statistic or motivation, retest the mean 41.60 and for the post test is the 48.93. The subject are 30 students. Based on the result of descriptive analysis, the average pretest score of grade 6 science student in 225 Taruna Bandung Public Elementary School was 40.6, and there is an increase in learning motivation after using the quizzes application. Thus, it can be concluded that the use of the quizzes application in learning methods has significant effect on increasing the learning motivation of grade 6 science students. And for the cognitive, for the pretest is 64.37 and the post-test 75.57. Based on the result of descriptive analysis, the average pretest score of grade 6 science student in 224th Karya Bandung Public Elementary School was 64.37 and the average post-test score was 75.57. 57. This means that there is increased learning outcomes after using the quiz and application. Thus, it can be concluded that the use of the quiz application in learning methods has a significant effect on improving the learning outcome of grade 5 of grade 6 science student in public elementary school 225 Tonakarya. With various variation of sound, image, animation, color, letter, videos, and make students understand the material from the information obtained. There is a process of storing information from display of material on multimedia-based interactive quiz application so that students are able to recall the material taught, generalize and feedback on learning process with the question and answer method. So that students not only know the material but through the fact students are trained to think looking for answer to question given by teacher regarding the material studied. With the familiarity of students to carry out learning like this, the student mindset is more developed. Now for the conclusion, based on the result of the study, it can be seen that there is a positive response to the use of the quizzes application in the online learning process. Without realizing it, the quizzes application makes students learn while playing so that students feel happy and easier to understand the material taught. Another thing from students, the quiz application is interesting learning medium by presenting a new learning atmosphere, making it easier for students to understand a learning material and has a variety confidence that makes student learning motivation increase. Okay, thank you for today. Thank you for the cooperation. Goodbye and see you next time.